Hello. Magandang araw. Welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Miss Mo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love and light. Sa inyong Tagalog, love reading ngayon na mismo. Okay, so second half of the year. Yan. And July na. Pumasok na si July na. And tingnan natin kung ano yung masasaga kong energy from the collective. And we'll do a love reading para sa lahat ng Capricorn. Alright, so first, thank you sa lahat ng Capricorn na patuloy na sumusuporta sa Mystico Moreno channel. And sobrang appreciated po yung love and support. So please continue to give your support by liking this video and commenting below, lalo na kung mag-resonate ang reading at umabot kayo sa dulo. And ayan, sa mga bago, subscribe na rin po kayo para updated kayo sa mga ipapost ko pang love or readings. Okay? And yeah, para sa lahat ng Capricorn, valid pa rin po yung promo ko for the free personal and private love reading. Panoorin niyo lang yung video na pinost ko last week for all earth signs. Ayan, so bubunot ako ng isang card from the oracle deck sa kabila, and then 8 cards from this deck to find out ano ba ang inyong love reading for the month of July. Okay, so yeah, whatever I pulled from this deck would be the overall energy, and yeah, interpret natin bakit yung lumabas na overall energy. As a reminder, this is a collective and general love reading, so it may or may not resonate with everyone. Take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Kapag hindi talaga, huwag pilitin. Abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading. Or better yet, book a personal private love reading dahil mas naka-align yon sa energy ninyo. Okay, nasa description box lang naman yung email address ko. Okay, let's begin. I'll get the 7th card dahil July na. So, card for the Capricorns. Life's a purpose. Experience the reality of ecstasy. Okay. So, yeah, I mean, when it comes to love, yeah, first, I think, ang sinasabi din dito, lalo na since it's a love reading, that you have to experience the everyday moment. Hindi siya yung parang may pinipili ka lang na araw or event when it comes to your connection with the other person, like kunwari anniversary, birthdays, and mga major milestones sa relationship, when in fact dapat every day, every moment, every experience na meron kayo ng person mo, dapat ina-enjoy mo siya, chine-cherish mo siya, at talagang ina-experience mo siya, at hindi mo lang siya parang hinahayaan na lumampas yung araw na okay, parang wala ka dun, or parang tinake mo for granted yung activity. For example, you and your person are having dinner. Diba? Enjoy it, experience it, and have that experience embedded sa memory mo. Because yun din yung mga simple joys na babalik-balikan mo kung mag-proceed yung relationship or even hindi, diba? May mga good memories ka na at least masasabi mo na, ay, na-experience ko siya, ay, pinili ko siyang i-experience. Okay, so I guess that's a calling for you, and that's your purpose as a partner to someone, and that's the same thing for your partner to you. Okay, na bawat isa sa'yo, nagkakilala kayo dahil that's what the universe wants it to happen as part of your purpose. And if hindi man kung it was a past relationship at currently single kayo, that experiences, ayun, learn from those experiences and allow it na makatulong din sa'yo to realize na ayun nga, may mga experiences na dapat lagi nating chine-cherish. And baka nakilala mo rin tong person na to as part of your life's purpose is to learn from them sa mga past relationships. And dahil natututo tayo, nag-grow din tayo and na-apply natin siya better sa relasyon natin in the future. And tingnan natin bakit ito yung lumabas sa inyong love reading. So first card, Page of Cups. Page of Swords, okay. Ten of Cups. The Lover is nice. Three of Wands, okay. Five of Pentacles. Oops. King of Cups. Very full of emotion ang reading ito. Full of heart. And Knight of Wands. So Wands, Cups, one Pentacles. So yeah, no swords, but yeah, it means then talaga that everything is no longer parang hindi na siya idea or nasa thoughts lang. Maybe natog. Yeah. It's just the bell ringing. Maybe it's also a sign that ting ting, next round. It's time for you to really find your purpose. And in a nutshell, parang itong reading na to is telling you that the purpose is to really love sincerely, love genuinely, and love honestly. Okay, so yan, sarap kaya nun. And be loved at the same time. Okay? Right. And bottom of the deck, see? Six of Pentacles. Still Pentacles. So, wala talagang swords. Yeah. So, yeah, this actually is a good reading, well, except for the Five of Pentacles, but I think it's just a very minor and a reminder when it comes to something that makes you unhappy. But here with the Page of Cups and Page of Swords, may swords pala, sorry. With the Page of Swords here and the Page of Cups, there's new beginning, an initiation of something that's really close to your heart and close to your mind. So heart and mind, Cups and Swords, and something new. And I think this month of July, ma-ignite yung ninyo talaga. Something related sa ano bang gusto nyo, ano bang tingin nyo purpose ninyo in this world. And from there, if you put action to it, di ba, magkakaroon ka ng sense of fulfillment din. And mas ma-attract mo rin yung person na para sa'yo. And somewhere here with the Ten of Cups, this I think it is a new love. This page and pages are also na nagsisignify siya ng something new, something fresh, beginning. So what I see here is that that there's even a new love coming, especially the Lover's card is showing up here alongside with these pages plus the Ten of Cups energy. It's Ten of Cups and the Lovers both have this energy of love. Ten of Cups is love with long-term goals, with long-term commitment, and of course the Lovers is the ultimate love energy, love card in tarot, and it just shows na this is something na very significant na event in your life. Maybe this July, mamimit mo to, makikilala mo to. There will be an initiation of contact with the Page of Swords, an initiation or a beginning of a new love, new emotions, happy vibes, happy feeling when it comes to meeting this person. And the Three of Wands showing up here. Three of Wands is a card of adventure and romance. So parang from Ten of Cups, the Lovers, and Three of Wands, parang isa lang yung core theme nila, love. Okay, so manifest mo na to. It's really good to feel this new love, lalo na pag nalaman mo na rin na okay, ito yung purpose ko, to love sincerely, honestly, genuinely, and be loved as well, because this is what you deserve. Okay, and here with the Five of Pentacles, I think lumabas lang to because part of you, I mean, is still not fulfilled because nga hindi mo pa nakikita yung life's purpose mo. But eventually, it will shift. It will shift. Being sad, being confused, being frustrated is just part of life. But ano yung lesson doon? Paano mo siya gagawa ng paraan? Paano mo maihihinto, not mapipigilan, but more of maaalis sa life mo yung sadness, yung discontent, yung frustration, and paano mo siya gagawin na all positive. And with the King of Cups here is really having a stable and more grounded na energy. And with the King of Cups, it's just also showing na you're emotionally okay, and you have this ultimate goal din talaga to know your life's purpose. And Knight of Wands is once you've found it, go for it. And Knight of Wands is also a card of like taking a leap of faith. Okay, and doing what you really desire, what you're really passionate about, what your purpose is, you go for it. Okay, because Wands is also the suit for the soul, and soul is related to what we're really passionate about, what we really desire, and what our purpose is in life. And yeah, showing here is yung hidden energy or energy na nasa perimeter mo. Okay? Nandyan lang siya. Maaligid-aligid sa inyo tong energy na to. And you're not really aware, but it's a good card naman. But here with the Six of Pentacles is a card of generosity, gratitude, and I can see here that you're really thankful din naman sa mga experiences mo in the past, experiences mo today, and magiging experiences mo in the future, because you know that these experiences helped in your growth and helped in finding your real purpose in life. And yon, may satisfaction tayo na feel once na alam na natin na ito pala yung reason why I'm here on earth, because this is my purpose, and I'm grateful na I found it, and I have the resources and the right people to help me fulfill it. Parang ganun. Okay? Ayan. So, sana nakatulong itong reading na to. And always use my reading with discernment. This is just guidance or providing you insight. Nasa kamay nyo pa rin ang inyong kapalaran. We all have our we all have free will to do what we have to do and to decide what we need to act on. Okay? So, ayan. So, kita-kits na lang muli sa susunod ko pang lover reading. Ako si Mystico Moreno. Or in short, Miss Mo. Kita-kits. Ingat.